I know it's been a minute since our last retwist video. We are back. I'm about to retwist my boyfriend's hair. If you guys haven't seen or watched his previous video, he did restart his lock journey. So compared to my channel, his locks might look a little bit different. That's because we restarted his lock journey, we uncombed his locks, reparted the hair, and now they're much fuller. So I'm about to show you guys how I do the new retwist routine with his new locks. On the last video, a lot of people were asking what happens to the rubber bands after I put them in. And basically, I just let them stay there until the next wash day. So I will show you guys how I now take out the rubber bands, and then we're gonna go ahead and start the wash routine.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA.
Alright, so we're on the last rubber band, and this method may not work for some people, but it works for us. When I do place the rubber bands, I usually put 2 rubber bands per lock. You only really need to stick the scissor in and grab like a few layers like that. And you make sure there's no hair, because you don't want to cut any hair at all. Sometimes I can fit my finger in there, and then I'll just cut, and it comes off like this. I just go in with my fingers to make sure that I didn't miss any of the rubber bands before we start adding shampoo. So let me give you guys a close-up.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. I'll sit and safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Got a hunger sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes, and you find a lie. Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find a lie? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming on. Even when you're gone, the feeling just goes slow. Really did it wrong, but you're still getting close. And we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's going on, we're in a song.
My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Can I you they make my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Never did it, I can't she open up, make I see one. Give me love, one
Now usually he doesn't get much buildup, but he was a best man in his cousin's wedding, so I did have to use some gel just to make it look neat. So I just sprayed the roots and a little bit further down where the rubber bands were to get rid of that buildup before we go in with the shampoo. And that was some warm water in a spray bottle. I just make sure that the roots are saturated. Now we're about to wash.
see ya. And me, I understand, say your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing, all thing, I never tried you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell you what's up in God. I'm gonna make me that, I'm gonna get I wanna make you, baby, I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no.
So I thought I was recording this whole time, but apparently I wasn't. So I'm just gonna describe how I did these again. So since I pre-parted it, it makes it easier while his hair is drying for me to, you know, like not hurt him when I'm using the comb. Since it's pre-parted, I just comb it from all angles so that it's detangled. Inside the lock, I make sure that the parts are straight. I make sure that the parts are straight. All his locks go clockwise. So I just twist. And then place 2 rubber bands. Again, it's pre-parted. Just comb from all angles. All angles, twist clockwise.
You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like helicopter. Jesus, got the one he comes out. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God. Make them they talk up, as we they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move up. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Question, but they no get the answer.
So that's the end of the retwist. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe.
When you go